Day 3, second weekend of fixing up the old van. Last weekend we managed to get a bit of this lot done. Got those bits there in the wheel arch filled in. Gonna do this bit today. Cut all that out. It's gonna be a little bit tricky around here. Gonna take some pretty sweet fabrication to get that bit in. We'll see how we get on. So I've got my tape, 750mm. Should just about do it. Up there, it's about 20mm. A bit along this way, it's a bit further. About 25mm need to come out of there, especially down this bit. So there we have the bit of metal that is going to replace that bit in the wheel arch. I'm going to chop that whole section out and replace it with this. Overall it's pretty good considering I don't have the proper tools to bend stuff. Bang tidy. New bit. Now I just need to cut the old bit out. Should be fun, eh? Hey Jambi. That's Ellie. She's come to help today. Going to do some painting. Underneath here needs a second coat. Lucky you!
Is this it? Is it in your pocket?
No.
Rusty piece of shit. So the bit that sticks in.
Yeah, so like there. Right, between those two bits of weld that we've just done.
Yeah.
Yeah, there. Can you hit that bit back in so it's not dented anymore? And then keep the hammer there. And then move along to where the big gap is.
Yeah.
So, like, not as far along. Back this way.
Yeah.
And then move along a bit more. These bits I'm really not looking forward to. Now this is the bit that's come out. And I'm going to try and copy that. Proper rusty. Draw around there. I'll make it in two separate bits. Looks pretty similar. Should have a test fit in the van, eh? Bit of a rubbish fit there, isn't it? There we go. Some kind of shape to it. Eh? Sweet. Tacked up round there. Test it out in the van, see what they're like. Not amazing at all, really. Damn. Whoops. That was not great either, is it? Oh well, we can make it fit though. Bit of hammering, bit of grinding. First of all, we'll get these bits welded up. 5:30. And Ellie and I have got a rum festival to go to tonight.
I made such a mess. It's all over Temby, it's all over the floor, it's all over me.
How'd you get it on Temby?
I literally, this stuff just goes whenever I touch it. And look, you can see where it all went. Now she's got little spots all over her. Look, see?
Hey look, I just found a paintbrush. Score! What do you reckon, Temby? You want to have a tidy up and go home? Grim. We're going rum festival. Need my key though.
I left the tickets behind.
Oh!